Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can show or unhide the bookmarks bar in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Opera browser on your laptop or desktop computer, and there are two ways how you can enable the bookmarks bar. As you can see here on my example browser, we don't see any bookmarks bar. So option number one would be to right click here on your home screen and select bookmarks. That is going to redirect you to this menu here inside your Bookmarks Management Center on Opera. So what you want to do is make sure that you enable this option here in the top right, show the bookmarks bar, or you may do that from the start page as well by clicking into these three lines in the top right, and from there enable show bookmarks bar. And there you go. So here you may now add sites to your bookmarks, or you can also hide the bookmarks bar again by selecting this option. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.